Good morning. Welcome to Trading Futures Live. My name is Franco. And we'll be trading here live. All right, let's start with the pre-market routine. Very good news today. We did have a great number out of the GDP. So GDP quarter over quarter, 2.9%. A lot better than expected. Advanced GDP 3.5, and core durable goods orders negative but better than expected. This is a number that I really don't like. Durable goods order month over month went way higher than expectations, and this can be a little bit negative when we look to inventories. Actually, we do have here a good number on inventories. This is a wholesale inventories, 0.5% came at 0.1, which is good, right? It's good when you have inventory just getting out of the shelf. Pearson, good morning. Nice. Unemployment claims, very hot. We have very low unemployment claims right now, even with all firing that is happening. I think the economy still has some room to absorb those jobs. Goods trade balance now is widening. It's getting wider and wider. Now the dollar is falling. I do expect this number to get wider with time. We have to be careful at 10. We do have new home sales. And then after that, pretty much free. Well, Biden is going to speak Biden is going to speak later today. We don't have the exact time, so we have to be alert. Have to be aware that he could just speak at any time. And what is this, by the way? Oh, he's gonna speak about the economy. Wow. Who knows? What is he gonna say? All right. So let's start with the dollar chart. Again, we're grinding down slowly. Like what has happened, like basically since January 12th, right? We came here. After this demand, prices on the dollar just bounce, and after the stock market open, it starts to fall, right? If we see the 30-minute, we can see that pattern very clearly. Like here, this is Asia, right? But here, this is the only day that closed up here, and then after that, we do have midday starting to drop, 7, 8, 9 in the morning started to drop, 10 in the morning started to drop, 10 in the morning started to drop, 9:30 started to drop yesterday. Okay, so spectacular recovery yesterday. I sort of I agree. Like the market is being very coherent. Not necessarily that I agree with the move up or move down. That's not my business. But what I'm trying to say is that the dollar and the stock market, they have been very coherent. Okay, when the dollar falls, the stock market goes up, and the other way is true also. Okay, and that can change. Is my entire trading system is based on the dollar, but I am aware that at any given time that might change. Right? Not any trading system is perfect, nor it lasts forever. So I'm aware of that. All right. So if we pay attention to what is going on today, we did have the GDP news, a dollar spike to 101.96, and then started to sell off immediately. And now we are reaching the London Open right here. So two scenarios. probably the sell-off at the open. Probably the sell-off at the open. Right? That's the scenario of the sell-off at the open. This is the long scenario for later. I would say after new home sales comes out, probably here is the long. But I'm not looking for any breakout trade to the upside. That might happen, but I'm not looking for that right now, especially with the dollar in demand. What if the dollar was surrounding around these levels, like 101.95, 102? Yeah, I will look for a breakout to the upside. Not right now. I understand that it could happen, but it's not within my rules to take the breakout to the upside. We might sell off at the beginning and then continue to the upside. That's the play that I'm looking at right now. And I have mixed signals off of my market context. I have no idea. I'm gonna try play zones for 2-to-1. We might have also. I mean, we're gapping up 1% on the Nasdaq, 0.7% on the ES, 0.3% on the YM, and 0.7% on the RTY. Now, the RTY is always the leader. RTY precedes. Is impressive how RTY can behave so anticipated. Like, he moved way before the other markets, right? Small caps. Now, now I could expect today, because we have some sort of supply here from mid-December and mid-September. We do have some supply reaching at 12,200. We might stay sideways today, and I say that because we do have the dollar falling, right? We have let me put this all right, so we were going up here. Now we're basically neutral on the bond yields, right? We're not falling here, so that's a mixed signal. And we're sideways here too. Actually, yeah, is basically flat, the VIX. Now remember, the VIX is a cyclical chart. Every time it goes lower, it's harder for it to continue to go lower. Okay? We broke this low, I think last Friday, or yeah, Friday. On the run to the upside on the market, but immediately rejected that level. Okay. Now, I've said numerous times, it's not easy for the VIX to just go up freely. It does has a lot of supply around 22, 23. All right, so mixed signal. I would say neutral bullish, but I need to be aware that the dollar is again back in demand. Now, the more time the dollar spends here, pardon me. I'm sorry. The more time the dollar spends here, the less I trust this demand. Okay. The dollar is basically flat. But remember, every time it goes up, it's being sold off. Okay. All right. Let's take a look at commodities a little bit. Trading view. There we go. Crude oil. Nice move up 2.5%. Remember, my supply is here 83.64 to 85. Is not the best high quality supply because it's in the middle of the move, but I have to acknowledge that there is a formation right there. The 92.50 is tested twice is not my favorite either. So that what I'm trying to say is that probably crude oil has a good racetrack to the upside. Okay, especially with dollar weakness. That might be one scenario for crude oil. Wow, look at silver. Wow. Within the range, still within the range since mid-December, right? But now on the higher part of the range. Same scenario for gold. Like every day we, like if you see this is the opposite chart from the dollar, right? Now, we have spent a lot of time here in this supply, right? Is from March to, I would say, April. So it's like a month, right? And we have spent here since mid-January. Probably we need some more time, but I'm impressed that we're grinding inside this supply so fast. Okay, we spent here probably 1 month, and we've been here for like 2 weeks, and then we are already on the opposite part of the, sorry, on the upper part of the supply, right? Up to like 65. So that tells me that the dollar probably is going to weaken further, right? On the upcoming weeks. We'll see what happens. Same for silver. And wow, this is not good. This is not good for inflation. Lumber is going up big time from 361 at the beginning of the year in just like a month. It's like 20-25%. That's not good. Higher prices, guys. Higher prices. Commodity prices are going up. Higher prices are expected. Copper has been very stable, though, for the last 2 weeks. It's not going up so much, but since the beginning of the year, it's almost like 12%. I don't know. Probably the Fed will have to continue to raise rates. Look, this is a supply that I have on gold right here. Give me 1 second. Oh, there you go. I really thought this supply would put some pressure to the downside, but the dollar is so weak that is letting a gold run to the upside, right? So look, this supply probably started here, right? And we've been here for since the beginning of the year. But look, February to April, like 2 months, 2 entire months, right? And we haven't had any like good reaction to the downside. So yeah, the weakness on the dollar is helping gold big time. Okay, I do see some supply here. There's a lot of supply here. But gold has a tailwind, which is the dollar weakness. Right? Same for stock. Like a weak dollar means is good for stocks. Okay? All right, so let's review real quick. Tesla is contributing a lot to the NQ. I think Tesla is up like 7%. All right, the S&P is reaching one of my supplies here at 4062. So that's one reason. Well, this supply is not good. No, this supply is not good. So let's get rid of this supply. Is old, right? So this is, I would assume, is a Fed meeting. Yeah, this is a Fed meeting. So I would say this is the real supply, right? What time is this? 10:30. Yeah, nice. 10. All right, so let me put this one here. How far are we from here? Like 20 point, like how much? 27 point. Well, it's like half a percent, half of a percent. Yeah, reachable. I want to go see what is going on here on the 5 minutes so I can narrow this supply on the. There we go. Nice. All right, so this one looks very good. This one looks very good. Especially at this level, like 4100. Nice. All right, so my expectation for the market is probably to sell off at the open, and I will be looking at these levels of rejection, like right here, probably when the GDP bounced right here, right? This is 4040. Let's go see that level on the NQ. Yeah, all those precious metal, they look similar. There is a supply and demand component in every metal, but generally they behave very similar. So we do not have any like good rejection other than this one. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Sorry. The NQ looks a lot more bullish than the ES. Probably here. Right, and that is 11,941. All right, so what I'm going to do, let me go ahead and put the 500, right? Because the market is gonna open in 1 minute, and I want to change this overnight high. So yesterday's recovery was impressive. It was 2%. All right, so here's the overnight open right here. It's hard for me to believe that we're going to sell off to the overnight low. Is how much is it? Like 160 point. There's no bearishness. There is no bearishness here. Let me put the risk for today. I'm trading the one-up trader account. There's a coupon code for those watching, 50% one-up Franco 50. I think it's a good discount for them. Like they don't usually do that type of, discounts. They made that discount for me. Not for me, for you guys. All right, so we're off. What do you mean that's month? Per month, right? Yeah, no, I think it's, what are you talking about? The prices on the one-up? If it's that what you're referring now, it's just the first month. Yes. Yeah. But with the 50% is good. I mean, it's yeah. But all you need is 15 days. If you size properly, you can pass it. I don't think you need more than 1 month unless you want to practice, right? Unless you want to practice, and in that case, I will recommend you like a cheaper one. But the conditions on the test and on the funder, first of all, they don't have any like activation fee. UProfit is a big fee. Apex has two options like lifetime or monthly fee. So but you have to pay something like Earn to Trade has its activation fee as well for the funder account. One up is completely free. So I think that on that side is good. All right, so no problem. The dollar dropping a little bit within the demand, the hardcore demand, within the London Open. Actually, the London Open happened on. There we go, 3. So this is okay. So we're bouncing off of the London Open, but the scenario for me is not the breakout. The scenario for me is the retest. Probably we won't have a retest. Who knows? But in that case, I probably won't take any trade because I don't like chasing. Also, we're gonna have new home sales at 10. That probably will give me some volatility to trade off. It's a good thing about me having realistic expectations about the breakout is that I don't feel FOMO on a breakout. I don't feel FOMO whatsoever. So that's good. That changed on me. I used to feel a lot of FOMO on the breakout. But the reality is that I would take far more breakouts that I should have, and as a consequence, I ended up losing more money than I won when I took them, right? So I stopped doing the breakout at the open. Good morning, all gringo. Welcome. All right, so the tick chart is it's not close to the zero line. So until we have the zero line tested, that is going to be my long. It's a good day. Look, we're having a lot of good news off of the economy, right? I think the economy is running well until until it stops, right? But it's hard for me to see the Fed breaking something. They're very smart. They're getting very smart at driving this economy. Now there are things happening, like the debt ceiling is something that we cannot ignore. We need that. So we have yeah yeah, I know, but the Fed is has gotten a lot more experienced after 100 years, right? And a lot of crisis and stuff. We'll see. Like it's good for me to believe. It's good for me to believe in them, right? It's good for me to believe in them. It does not I mean, it's not. It doesn't feel good just thinking that they will screw us, right? So the tick chart is very very positive. We just retraced to the plus 100, plus 200, and then we had this bounce. So yeah, the market is very very bullish, very bullish. Um, so at this point, I might start looking for a movement here. Like this is blocks buying. See that? This is computer buying. Stair stepping to the upside. So I will wait for now the tick chart is going below the 200. Let's see, it's bouncing off of that number again. You see that? Every time it goes to 200 is getting bought. All right, zero line is activated. Zero line is activated on the tick chart. Probably this is it. Let's see if I can get this one. Wow. It's just one touch. It's too fast for me. Yeah. So it is a limit order or nothing. Yeah, it was a limit order or nothing. Let's see if we can get this one. If it's not this one, we might take the other one. This one. New 5 minutes in 20 seconds. Yeah, it was a limit order. Oh, that's it was hard. Like it's too volatile. It is very volatile.
Order submitted.
Yeah, so tick chart is just getting lower and lower. Let's see if we can. Yeah. Yeah, most likely I'm gonna be stopped out on this one. Let's see. Yeah, I got stopped out. Look, the tick chart changed and I didn't take the order off. That was the truth. It's okay. Now the dollar is breaking to the upside. Now I just need to wait. I just need to wait for a nice buying area. Oh, yeah, no, I'm not allowed to do that. I'm sorry. I'm not allowed to do that. I need to put this. But do you see how because I lost the trade, I wanted to put the trader immediately. But now I got my rules. And I need to do that. Like I need to just wait for the timer to go off so I can reassess. It feels bad to lose a trade, but it is what it is. Like I'm going to lose a ton of trades in the future, so I need to learn how to cope with it. I might stay till probably 11 today because I have things to do. Yeah. Um where are you at, Pearson? Here in the US? It's good for me to when I win a trade, it's easy for me to put the timer, right? Because I remember every time I put it I win a trade to put the timer. But when I lose in East Texas, nice. And when I lose is when it gets really challenging. Like I was almost taking this trade. I was almost taking this one. See that? Or what was it? 2-1. Yeah. So I was almost taking this one. But the trade might work. The trade might work, right? But the work that I should do, the real work, is not taking that freaking trade that is running right now. The real work is a timer. The real work is getting myself disciplined. The real work is not giving space to my mind to act like a rogue mind, right? But instead, me driving myself, not my mind, right? Not my mind driving my body and my actions. Because to lose a trade, it feels terrible. But guess what? I am gonna lose a ton of trades, and you guys are gonna lose a ton of trades, right? Yeah. 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 The focus is the attention. That's the word. The attention has to go somewhere else. Your attention has to, or at least my attention right now has to go somewhere else. Either my body, either something, right? Something somewhere else. I'm gonna take advantage of I'm gonna hit the bathroom. I'm gonna go make us a coffee. All right. All right. Timer's off. Let's go see what we have here. So this trade would have been a break even. No, 8 2 to 1. No, 8 2 to 1. Let's go see the internals. Looking a bit weak. Although the tick chart is not divergence. We have 4 more minutes for the new home sales data to come out. So I think at this point, waiting for the data to come out is important, right? So the dollar is at its highs from the GDP report. But we haven't even broken yesterday's highs on the dollar, so I wouldn't be so confident on the dollar going up. So here is the good thing about one up, right? I was winning $6,000 on this account, but the trailing drawdown stopped at 150, and I am at 155, 120, and I still have the $5,000 drawdown, right? In the previous trade, I had $6,000 drawdown, but I will have to lose 6 trades. Okay, 2 minutes for the report. I will have to lose 6 trades in a row for me to blow this account, right? I already lost one, and I'm doing $1,000 trades. It could happen, but it's not very likely that I will lose 6 trades in a row. What could happen is that I lose control and I start oversizing, and instead of risking $1,000 per trade, I start risking $3,000, right? That's another story, right? But if I maintain my my concentration and my focus on finding good trades, is a high probability. There is a high probability that I can make a good trade. One and a half minute for the new home sales data to come out. And Pearson, is great that you brought that refocus your energy, and that has worked on me big time, not only in trading but in other problems in my life. When I'm thinking something that really bothers me or causes me some anxiety, I simply deviate my attention to another thing that doesn't bother me or makes me sad or anxious. And that anxiety that I had a few minutes ago or instants ago just goes away. I think is a terrific tool that the majority of people don't use. I'm glad you brought it. And if I don't take any other trade, it's good. Like I have till the 31st to pass this account. So it's today, tomorrow, and 2 more days, right? I'm gonna start trading real money on February 1st. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's fine. New home sales is out. And very choppy. Higher than expected. 616,000 home sales. Homes sold. What is this? Is a period? Monthly, yeah. So those are annualized numbers on a new single family homes that were sold during the previous month. All right. Is released on the 17th business day after every month ends. This is 57. This is 52, and this is 57. And this is 52. Yeah. Yeah, I already took a long and I lost. But yeah, I'm looking for longs. I'm not even, I don't care about the short right now. The dollar didn't break the high of the report, so yeah, the long is way, way more probable. And I had this one, but I completely missed it. Probably because I lost my first trade. I want to find a good trade, right? But that's okay. Oh, damn. I put the order too late. Yeah. Wow. It didn't feel mean. Now the tick chart is at the zero line. So I just wanna grab it when it is coming up, not coming down. There you go. There you go. Oh, what is this? Again, the same problem, brother. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. So where should be my target? I don't know. I understand this. It was a mistake. My entry is up here. And I am going to probably scale out a little bit or no. Yeah, we'll scale out. I'm gonna put my stop at break even regardless. Yeah, the zero line is there. Yeah. Yeah. So bearishness is coming into the market. Yeah, stopped, failed. Like I didn't act fast enough, but I want to do this. The fuck is going on? If I want, why it doesn't work? Why it doesn't work? Yeah, I don't know what the fuck is going on. Why it did put the order when I didn't want the order on? Oh, again, sorry about this. I mean, I need to. I'm so pissed off that I completely forget to put this one. So I need to take these 6 minutes off. All right, so the long that I had here, I took a long here, long break even. I was planning to retake this trade, but the timer didn't let me to retake it. But that it's okay. Like the trade was a break even though. Okay. Um, now let's try to find another one. Now let's try to get another one. No, I don't want to feel FOMO. I don't want to just jump into this, okay? Although it could keep running, I just want to trade off of this level, right? If we create a new level, then we trade off of the new level. But for now, is this one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put an alert here. All right, so we have the alert here. We have the alert. Yes. Let's see if we can. All right, cool. Where's the dollar at? Nice. Yeah, today I'm pushing out this thing. Like I'm not taking proper risk. Just waiting for the confirmation of the confirmation. And it is what it is. Sometimes we do that. Hmm. So here's the deal. Probably this one is not the one. Yeah. Yeah, the dollar is pushing higher. But this thing is not. Yeah, very sideways on the 30-minute. Although it's favoring the longs. The long is a lot better on the NQ. Not the ES. Like, the ES is more or less.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled.
So the dollar is pushing higher. I'm impressed. Sideways, sideways, sideways. Mm. I don't have nothing in this leg. Nothing. Other than this one, but we couldn't even break the high, so I don't think like this one is the best area. We have exhaustion right now. Mm.
Order filled.
Oh my God. No, 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 no.
Order canceled.
I don't understand this. Why this thing is putting orders where I don't want to? See that? What the fuck is going on? Hmm.
Order submitted.
I'm gonna have to do it manually. I'm gonna have to do it manually because this thing is not working.
Order filled.
Yeah, I don't even have. Yeah. Stop loss. Yeah. All right. So this is. Hmm. And I am a little bit late in this trade, but it's not a bad trade. Um, I am willing to cut it if somehow this thing just changes on the tick chart. Yeah. Yeah. Not good. Yeah, too late. And see if I can.
Stop filled.
Yeah, it is what it is. Two losers. Yeah, that's the thing on being late. When you're late, your risk increases. So I'm losing $1,400. Yeah, that's the thing. Your risk increases because you're not in the right spot. See that now you're late, and the movement can hurt you big time like it did right now. Yeah, I know. Um, ah, it is what it is. Two losing trades in a row. Missed couple winning trades. Yeah, I think this is it for me today. No need. Keep pushing. All right, so I'm not gonna keep trading. I think I'm gonna go. I do have other things to do today, so I probably won't stay here longer. Thanks for watching. Thank you all, Gringo, Jingling, Pearson. See you guys tomorrow. Um, uh, what do we have tomorrow? Oh, we do have PCE. So PCE is important. Yeah, tomorrow I think is gonna be a great day. Thank you, Sandra. Thank you all. See you guys tomorrow. Today was not a good day for me. Um, but if we grasp this, um, if we get over bad days, we can get more good days. Okay. All right. Thank you guys. See ya.